Dealing with waste, conserving water, mitigating emissions, and building the foundations for our customers' sustainable business have been in our focus for decades. With a leading offering of sustainable solutions in the market, we have what it takes to raise our customers' environmental performance to new heights already today. But our sights are set on the future. Welcome to a future with no waste. A world where the race against waste and water shortage are over. A planet where life flourishes on both land and below water. An era defined by sustainability, circularity, and innovation. This is the future we're committed to building together with our customers and partners on land and sea. A future with no waste. We invite you to join us on this mission. Evac, nothing to waste.